This is the 13th time, but I'm visiting the abandoned Big Lots of Bay Shore. This permanently closed sign has moved to where it says "Come on in." This Big Lots is still abandoned to this day. Someone left a water bottle. I don't know who left it. Wow. Well, they still have shelves. Oh, there's the doorbell. Does it work? Oh, it does. Alrighty. Wow. That probably means why they still have electricity on. Pretty cool. See, over here it says permanently closed. Let me see, bro. No, that's closed. Deals on furniture, food, decor, and more. No smoking. New prices every week. Buy online and pick up in store. It's fast, it's free and easy. BigLots.com. Wow. Oh, there's a motion sensor. I think the camera is probably active. Please use other doors. Nope, it isn't open. Not meant to be. Wow. There goes the old bowling alley. They just repainted the parking lots. They still have a Big Lots sign. Obviously, I just found the ShopRite shopping cart in the Strawberry Kids childcare, which is used to be as Pier 1 Imports. There's a shopping cart somewhere. Oh, this is right here, ShopRite. ShopRite? What? That ShopRite is all the way over overside. Why do you need to putting in a ShopRite shopping cart? And there's a Stop and Shop shopping cart in the Strawberry Kids prep that used to be Pier 1 Imports. So, wow. That used to be Toys R Us and Babies R Us. Back then it was just Toys R Us. I didn't used to say Babies R Us. I think it was probably known as Kids R Us. Ugh. It's cold out, so that's it for the 13th time visiting the abandoned Big Lots of Bay Shore.